Emma, Emma. How can you not make noise? How can you not make noise? Because when we try to talk, you are going to bring your degreeless parents to come and insult my 4 years at the university.
Amen.
Even if you make noise 100 times, the bottom line is on the 22nd of each month, I get my fat, rich payment. And what does your parents get? All they do, they wake up at 10 when the sun is already here to look at their unemployed behinds. No, my student, that's not a shade. That's not a shade. I'm giving you facts of life. Because if I ask here, how many of you are your parents unemployed? All of you will say they're unemployed. Emmanuel, is your parents employed?